That's nuts, dude. I'm like, I'm giving it all with this machine. Let me scrape this way and see if I can find anything else over here.
Undiscover. It's like, how far in does that go? That goes down there, dude. That's clearly rock. You get Griffin, bring the big one down here just to freaking unearth this.
No, I'm worried. Why is this here?
Oh, this the railroad.
Like, is it protecting something? Why is it in a bowl? Why is it in a boulder? It's in a boulder. Boulder here, boulder here.
Yeah, you're right.
And it's in the boulder. What the heck? I mean, that's hard. That's boulder.
That whole section is boulder. And it's just right here. And whatever goes that way.
Weird. Let me try to get under it over here.
On this end?
Yeah. Dig a little deeper. Try to. If I can't pop something up.